In this video, I will show you how you can fix the iOS 26 not showing problem on any iPhone. Now first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now you might have noticed that it does not say iOS 26 over here. If it says iOS 17 or 18 or any other version, this means that you have not received the iOS 26 update yet. Just refresh the page over here and make sure that you're connected to the internet, and after that you will receive a notification which says update to iOS 26. But as I said earlier, you should have a good internet connection to do that. Just open the connection section in your control center and make sure that you have a good internet connection. But if you have done that and if this did not work, then just check if your iPhone is compatible with iOS 26 or not. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Over here, as you can see, Apple has mentioned the iPhones which support the iOS 26 update. As you can see, any iPhone from iPhone 11 to iPhone 17, including the iPhone SE second generation and the third generation, will get the iOS 26 update. And if you have an older iPhone, it will not receive the iOS 26 update. But if you have an iPhone from iPhone 11 to iPhone 17, and if it did not receive the update yet, then just go back to Settings. Under the Software Update section, just tap on Automatic Updates. Now if you have enabled Automatic Install, just disable it. Now if you have enrolled your iPhone for the beta update of iOS, just disable the toggle for the beta updates. And after you disable all these options, then just go back and refresh this page. And after you do that, you will receive the iOS 26 update. But if you have done that and if this also did not work, then just go back and under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Now if you have any VPN network or any profile connected to your iPhone, just disable it from here. And after you've done that, now just go back to the Software Update section and check if you have received the iOS update or not. If this also did not work, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on iPhone Storage. And from here, just make sure that you have enough storage for the iOS update, because major updates like the iOS 26 update will require from 10 gigabytes to 20 gigabytes of storage for it to download. So make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone, and if your iPhone is low on storage, just delete any app which you are not using or any photos and videos which you no longer need. Or you can upload your data to the iCloud and you can delete them from your iPhone. Now after you do that, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Date and Time. And from here, just check if the date and time on your iPhone are correct or not. If they are incorrect, just tap on the date and set the date manually from here. And also you can do the same with the time. But what I recommend is just enable Set Automatically. And after you enable Set Automatically, your iPhone will set the correct date and time according to your region. Then finally, just make sure that your iPhone have enough charge for the software update. Ideally, charge your iPhone up to 50% or more. Then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. And press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix the iOS 26 not showing in settings on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.